sucker. Baja. Oh, muddy. Oh, keep going, keep going. You get stuck in that mud, son. Still going. Alright, big mud hole down there. Let's see. We can try it. Or let me try to go this way. Go around that mud hole right now. And get over here and play in the mud on this way. If I can get through here without getting stuck. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't get stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there it is. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hell yeah, son. Backwards, doesn't it? Ready for the backwards donut? Here we go, here we go. Yeah, son. That's fine, that's right. Let me get a different angle going here.